the number one way to get control of your money is going to be through building a budget. Without a budget and without knowing where's my money going, you're really going to be having an uphill battle. So what is a budget and how will it give me control over my money? A budget is going to be a spending plan based on your income and your expenses. A budget needs to be flexible. If you don't have any flexibility in your budget and you have an emergency situation, you're going to be screwed. You need to take a look at your goals. Where do you want to be in life? From that, you can understand how much you need to save and where your money needs to be going. By looking at the year first and converting every single one of your incomes and expenses to a yearly basis, it allows you to build a more accurate budget. Then you can divide out each expense and each income into a per month based on the yearly ratio. So what are the 5 steps to building a budget? Step 1. We need to calculate your yearly income. This is going to be your salary. This could be any extra things you do on the side. This could be investments. Any form of cash flowing into your bank account will be included in this metric. Step 2 is going to be tracking your payments. This includes any amount of cash that's going to flow out of your bank account. Step 3, now that we have a difference between our income and our expenses, the first thing we recommend is going to be pay off your debt. Any debt you have on something that's going to depreciate or any debt you have that's high interest, for example, credit cards, car loans, pay it off. Set up some goals for saving. Once you have 1 to 6 months of expenses saved up sitting in your bank, you want to start really investing. Don't try to get this immediate sense of gratification. And if you want to learn a little bit about investing, we have a wonderful email list. So if you're looking to get started, check it out and just have fun with it. Start learning as much as you can about investing, as most wealthy people did not make their money from income. They made it from investing. Step 4. Adjust your spending accordingly. You have to sit down and you have to take action in order to track and adjust your spending accordingly in order to hit the levels that you have planned. Find what amount you're willing to spend on each category. Typically, 50% of your expenses will become needs. This is where most people go, I've got 30% for fun and 20% for saving. If you're really trying to achieve financial independence by an earlier age, switch the amount of fun spending and turn it down and spend more money saving and investing. The more money you put away, the quicker your investments will grow, the more money you will have in the long run, the earlier you get to retire. Step 5, we're going to act out our budget. This means start living how you planned on living. And most importantly, start investing the way you said you were going to start investing. Budgeting is the first step in the right direction. Are you really looking to get the most out of the money that you're saving? Check out this video that we've just posted that covers everything about how to increase your return on investment.